AI-driven 8 auto insurance lead generation strategies. AnyBiz. Auto insurance lead generation involves attracting and nurturing potential clients interested in vehicle insurance policies. AI tools revolutionize traditional methods by analyzing data to predict consumer behavior, enabling personalized interaction and prioritizing leads with high conversion potential. Challenges in auto insurance: lead generation, saturation of market, shifting purchaser attitudes, heavy rivalry. Technology, notably AI and data analytics, is vital for addressing challenges in auto insurance lead generation. AI predicts consumer behavior, personalizes marketing, and uncovers new opportunities, while automation streamlines lead management. Innovative tools like mobile apps offer competitive differentiation, driving growth. AI-driven 8 auto insurance lead generation strategies. 1. Partnering with car dealerships for auto insurance sales boosts lead capture rates and aligns with consumer preferences for convenience. AI technology automates personalized insurance quotes based on real-time data analysis, optimizing client interactions and offerings for improved performance. 2. Networking through referrals is a potent lead generation tactic for auto insurance firms, fostering customer loyalty and expanding the consumer base. AI enhances this strategy by tracking referrals, analyzing data to identify trends, and streamlining the administration of referral bonuses for improved engagement and satisfaction. 3. Auto insurers can enhance their online presence by leveraging insurance comparison websites and marketplaces. These platforms enable customers to explore and compare insurance options based on cost, coverage, and user feedback. AI optimizes insurers' listings and advertisements to reach the target audience effectively. 4. AI chatbots and interactive tools streamline user experience, boosting conversion rates by 25% and improving engagement metrics by over 30%. They enable instant communication, personalization, and data collection, enhancing user journeys and marketing strategies for insurers. 5. AI-driven social media targeting tailors auto insurance ads based on extensive data analysis, enhancing campaign effectiveness. Studies reveal up to 60% income improvement, 50% engagement rate increase, and 30% conversion rate rise. 72% of marketers affirm AI ad personalization enhances marketing efficacy. 6. AI-driven email marketing automation tailors communications for auto insurance prospects, aligning with their behaviors and buyer journey stages. Personalized emails increase transaction rates 6-fold and can generate up to 320% higher revenue than non-automated ones. Compared to generic campaigns, AI-enabled email personalization achieves an average 41% higher click-through rate. 7. Local SEO boosts auto insurers' visibility in specific regions, driving relevant traffic and increasing local lead conversion. Prioritizing local SEO yields a 50% rise in search ranking for local inquiries. With 72% of local searchers visiting stores within 5 miles and 50% of mobile users conducting local searches visiting stores within a day, the impact on in-store traffic is immediate. 8. Content marketing helps auto insurers educate prospects, build credibility, and generate leads. It's cost-effective, with businesses growing 30% faster and generating 3 times more leads compared to outbound methods. Quality content is crucial, as 47% of buyers consume multiple pieces before engaging with sales. AnyBiz.io excels in auto insurance lead generation through its automated multi-channel campaigns, ensuring consistent and tailored messages across social media, email, and direct messaging platforms. Its AI capabilities enable lead scoring and prioritization, allowing sales teams to focus on the most promising prospects. AI-driven sales agents engage with potential clients, streamlining the sales process and enabling deeper engagements. This video explores how AI-driven tactics, including platforms like AnyBiz.io, are transforming auto insurance lead generation. AnyBiz.io ensures every interaction is personalized and efficient, automating lead generation tasks. With AI handling lead management minutiae, auto insurers can focus on delivering top-notch insurance products and services. As you prepare to leave, remember to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay connected with our latest releases.